Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very easy tutorial how to turn off the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer. This will once again be an easy tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into the video. So first I'm going to power it on. I'm just going to unfold the arm right here. It will power on by itself. Now when it's powered on, if you want to turn it off in the easiest way and you're not going to be using it, so you want to turn it off for storage or for whatever reason, and you're not going to be using it in the near, next couple of minutes, then all that you have to do, the easiest thing to do is just fold the arm back down. So as you can see, it's powered on right now. When I fold the arm back down all the way, it powers off, okay? Now, a lot of people experience difficulty turning it off when doing that because they'll have it on and they're gonna try and turn it off, right? But essentially, they're gonna fold down the arm and this, let's say, will get caught over here and they're like, oh, it's not powering off. Well, the arm's not folded down all the way, okay? You need to fold it down. Watch when it sort of clicks into place when it turns off. You need to get really, really close, essentially, okay? And right there. So literally, like, it basically was folded down all the way. That's, you might get away with like a quarter of an inch. And I don't know if there's like magnets or something or sensors, but essentially, when you fold down the arm pretty much all the way, there's just a tiny bit of leeway there, but you got to fold it down all the way and that turns it off. Now, let's say it's unfolded and you want to turn it off while it's unfolded. Maybe you want to leave it set up in that position and and you don't want to move it around and you want to turn it off. Well, that's also really easy to do. I've read that you hold the M button down for 20 seconds to power it off, but honestly, it's about a second and a half to power it off. So if it's powered on, you just get the M button here, which is also the power button, as you can see, and you just press and hold it down for, like, honestly, a couple seconds, just like this, okay? Look, it's like a second and a half, maybe even a second, about a second, okay? You can also use that same button to turn it back on, just like that. And once again, to turn it off, just like that. Very simple. And lastly, just to recap, in addition to using the M button to turn it off, the original way that I said to power it off is just fold up the arm. You can see the lights turn off. You can hear it ding ding saying that it's off. And that is it. That is how to turn off the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer. An easy tutorial for absolute beginners. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.